Okay, we're gonna start this port tour. I'm gonna take you around and just kind of show you the whole port. We have never ate at this restaurant, but we have ate at a couple of the others here. But I've been told this one's pretty good. I will show you this. We don't hardly go over here very often, but there's more seating over here, and you actually have some sand. We do sit right here in the sand next to the massage. We sat right here in the sand just to look at the ships and stuff like that. Hello, Mr. Donkey. You can pretty much find everything you want right in that one little spot. Well, it's not little, but bathrooms are right here. Jewelry, a couple of jewelry shops. This is where you're going to exit the port, and this is typically where a lot of the excursions will take you through this way as well. But if you want to exit the port and go into Cozumel itself, you're going to walk right down the middle of this. It's pretty easy. We'll do that later. Cross right through. Thank you. Good picture taking spot right there. Just a little garden area. Just kind of letting y'all look around the shops, see kind of what's available out here. T-shirt shop. Another t-shirt shop. And some hats. Good place to pick up a hat if you forgot yours. Piranha Joe's is over there on the corner. Banana Company and Bakery. That's awesome. That looks pretty good right there. B&Co. Crocs. Let's go look at that. I like Crocs. I wear Crocs a lot. We'll step in here and look. How much? 56. 56. So that wasn't any cheaper than at back home, so I don't think you're going to save money there, but if you want to pick up a pair, they're definitely there. Ice cream. We usually get one of those while we're here. Bracelet for mom. I'm sorry, go ahead. Pandora. All right, we'll go back down this way. Go back to the one of the main streets here. I didn't show you all this. Here's Del Sol. We'll go back this way just for a second so you can see Del Sol is over here. Rogers boots. If you need your cowboy boots while you're on a cruise, here you go. Back when our kids were younger, we picked up a Del Sol shirt almost every time, every cruise. That's like bed sheets. It used to be called something different. I can't remember what it was called. Bamboo something, I think. It was bamboo sheets. A touch of gold. Effie. Hey, there's your drugstore. We don't usually do anything in the drugstore. Maybe pick up a water. That's kind of sketchy at times. More liquor. All the liquor you need right there. Diamonds International. You're pretty much going to find that at every port. Mark Henry Boutique. Go ahead. They had a pretty good picture spot. These two are taking a picture. So right there, y'all, is where we came in at. That's where we got off the ship and came through at. Viva Mexico. The taste of our land. Probably find you some vanilla in there, maybe. Yep, pure vanilla, right there in the front. More restrooms right here.
Hey, stranger.
Hello, hello. I think, yeah, this is Ron John. Here it is. We'll go in here and walk around real quick. Water and Coke. I have noticed the registers go a little quicker in here if you're just wanting a water or a Coke. Excuse me. Hello. They have a couple of different register spots. Kids section. Water shoes. Good spot to pick them up if this is your first stop, if you forgot them. Pick up your magnet. We do pick up a magnet every time we get off, usually. Every port will pick up a magnet. I will tell you, we've kind of stopped picking them up here in Cozumel because we have so many that say Cozumel. Some live music over there. We'll go look at that. Fat Tuesdays. We do like Fat Tuesdays. We've eaten there, I don't know, probably at least half the times we come to Cozumel, we either get a drink or eat here. And always take a picture of this. 10:25 is what that clock up there says. Mexico time. Ship time is 11:25 right now. Three amigos.
A little bit.
You can always get your Carnival excursions right here. You'll see, like they'll tell you which number to go to. You'll see them all lined up right here. So right when you get off, you can find your excursion right here in the front.
Oh, he said it.
You're all right. So the prices at Three Amigos and Fat Tuesdays are the same price. So if I can find you a price list, actually there may be one right here. I'll see if I can get you a price list. Puerta Maya. All right, y'all take a look at that. And that will tell you American price, Mexican price, dollars and pesos. Y'all pause the video if you need to look at that price a little longer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the Fat Tuesdays and Three Amigos are probably owned by the same people or the same business or whatever. Not 100% sure, but I would bet they are. Ooh, free samples. Let's go have a sample. Tropical Itch, 190 octane hurricane. Frozen daiquiris, there you go, look over there. All right, we're gonna try the Tropical Itch, y'all. I didn't like the Tropical Itch, so I got the hurricane. I know I like it. We've sat here a couple of times. People waving. There you go. Get your excursions here. T-shirt company back there in the back. So that's the ice cream place I showed you earlier. Roger's Boots again, second one. Touch of gold. Little ice cream stand. Studio M. So that's Piranha Joe's, I showed you that earlier. Good scenic area right here. A little bit of maintenance. Okay, y'all, we're back where we started. Hopefully you guys got some value out of that. Got to look around a little bit, see what you can kind of scope out while you're here so you can save some time. If you did, make sure you go down and hit that like button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. See y'all on the next one. Bye.